Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we will be talking about multi-step linear equations. Okay, so let's jump into this problem. We have 8 equals to 8r minus 4 times r plus 8. So the first thing we need to do is to distribute that 4 times that parenthesis. So let's start. We have 8 equals to 8r minus 4 times r will be 4r, and negative 4 times the positive 8 will be negative 32. Okay, let's combine like terms, the 8r and the 4r. So we'll have 8 equals to 8r minus 4r will be 4r minus 32. What else can we do? We can add 32 on both sides. Okay, so this negative 32 plus 32 will cancel out, and we'll have 4r that is equals to 8 plus 32 will be 40. Our next step will be to divide by 4 on both sides. Okay, 40 divided by 4 is 10, and the 4 will cancel out. So the value of r is equals to 10. All right, let's verify if this answer works for our question. How do we do that? We rewrite the questions, we rewrite the problem, the equation, and we replace r with the value of 10. So we'll have 8 equals to 8r minus 4 times r plus 8. Okay, so the value of r here needs to be replaced by r equals to 10. Okay, so let's solve that. So we'll have 8 equals to 8 times 10 minus 4 times 10 plus 8. We'll have 8 equals to 80 minus 4 times 18, right? So we'll have 8 equals to 80, and 4 times 18 is 72. So 80 minus 72 is 8, which is true. Therefore, we have verified that the solution r equals to 10 is valid. All right, thank you for watching, and remember, send your questions, your problems. We will be happy creating content for you.